Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I thought about this Wheat Ears Penny, and I know I have a lot of this penny. Now we'll see if we have the Wheat Ears one or how many we have. I haven't checked it yet. I mean, it's been very well kept for a long time now, so have a look at it and see if we have a few more of this old penny with ears one. Right, it's a lot, man. Oh wow, it's a lot. I wouldn't go to it one by one with you guys, and I will just have a look and see in the end how much we got or how many. Right now, out of these how many hundreds of coin, I don't know. There's a lot of it. I found 25 Wheat Ears Penny, including this commemorative 1 cent. It's from 2009, and you can see 2009D. And it's I think this is the house where Abraham Lincoln grew up. Right, and another one is this 112 Anna from India. It's from 1892. It's an old coin in which we can see Queen Victoria. It says Victoria Empress. It was a mix up with along with all these coins. Wow, it's a lot. 25 at least 25 Wheat Ears Penny. And on my next video we'll see what they are. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good day.